Hey guys, thanks for tuning in today to Naturally Tanya. So first things first, I know I'm looking wild right now, but it's okay. Worst things have happened. We're gonna jump right on into today's video. So I just took out some braids that I had in, as you guys saw in my previous videos, and I washed my hair. So now I'm going to be doing a high puff because it's too hot today, y'all. Like, it is getting real. So I do apologize if you hear the fan in the background. Like, I have to have it. But I am going to be trying out the Aussie Miracle Curls line today. So most of you guys probably saw this in a haul that I did a while back with the Aussie Miracle Curls Leave-In Detangling Milk. They have a Miracle Curls Cream Pudding. And then they have Miracle Curls Curl Defining Oil with coconut and Australian jojoba oil. So I figure before I do a wash and go or attempt a wash and go with this, I'm gonna see how it performs on my puff, because the puff to me is like a wash and go ponytail basically. So yes, let's get on into this video. Alright, I'm just gonna add a little bit of aloe vera juice and water to my puff, since it was towel drying for a little while, or t-shirt drying. So this is what this basic puff. Now I'm gonna add a little bit more of the milk. Now I am going to go in with the cream pudding with coconut and jojoba oil as well. Bum, bum. This whole line smells so good, guys. Yes. Oh, this is like a kind of a thick consistency. Alrighty guys, so my closing thoughts, or my final thoughts as my hair just finishes air drying, is that I really love the way that my puff is turning out. I do think if it was a little bit more damp, I probably would have gotten a little bit more definition in some areas, but overall I feel like this was really good, especially for my first use of these products. I overall think all three of these are a slam dunk. I don't even think I have a favorite one. I feel like the Detangling milk did its job. It has really good slip and it smells amazing. All these products smell amazing. I do really love the consistency of this cream pudding. I feel like it is a really good blend of like, it's heavier than like your normal detangler or leave-in, but it's not quite like a custard or anything like that. So love this. I feel like this would be really good in a twist out. And I really love the way that this curl defining oil, like the consistency, the formula is really nice. I feel like it's thick but still lightweight at the same time. It's not like super heavy for summertime, and it provides a good amount of shine and hydration from what I can see so far, and I'm here for it. You know, I really love my Aussie Mega Moist conditioner, and so I expected to like this line, and I do. So yeah, definitely drop a comment down below. Let me know if you think this is a win. If you think I should try a wash and go with these three products or a twist out, let me know in the comments what you guys would like to see next with this line. And of course, give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already. I mean, come on. Follow me on social media as well. And until next time, bye guys.